As mortgage rates near the 7% mark, affordability challenges persist, dampening home buying in the Lehigh Valley. Hi, I'm Bill Kuklinski with the Home Premier team, and this is your July market update. With buyers pausing their home purchase plans and many existing homeowners reluctant to list their home in fear of losing their low mortgage rates, the market continues to experience a lack of inventory, and this has intensified competition among buyers, leading to an upward surge in sales prices. Let's take a look at the local numbers. Closed sales in Lehigh and Northampton counties experienced a significant decline of 32.6%, bringing the total to 528 homes from 783 last year. Inventory also saw a decrease of 37.1%, with only 589 homes available in July from 937. The scarcity of inventory led to a 6.1% rise in average sale price, reaching $373,563 from $352,052. New listings also fell by 21.2%, amounting to 693 homes compared to 879. Meanwhile, pending sales dropped by 15.6% to 596 homes from 706. The month's supply of inventory also decreased by 15.4%, leaving only 1.1 months from 1.3. Furthermore, homes took an average of 15 days to sell, a rise of 15.4%, or an additional 2 days compared to the previous period of 13. Keeping up with local real estate market trends is critical whether you're buying, selling, or simply an observer. By staying informed, you can make better decisions and take advantage of opportunities as they arise. If you found this update helpful and want to stay in the loop with further market insights, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with others that might find it useful. Don't forget to hit the bell button to receive notifications for our latest updates. And remember, knowledge is power, especially in the dynamic world of real estate. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next time.